Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Assam Job Point. Today I will discuss about the Deori tribe of Assam. This is part 9 of my video series Tribes of Assam. Deori. Deori is one of the major ethnic tribes of the northeast Indian states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. In Assam, they live in the districts of Lakhimpur, Dhemaji, Sibsagar, Majuli, etc. In Arunachal Pradesh, they live in Lohit and Sanglang districts. As per 2011 census, their total population is 43,750 and there are 32,376 native speakers of the Deori language. As of now, the total Deori population is 1.13% of the total tribal population of the state. According to some scholars, they have migrated from a small place called Sodia in Tinsukia district. The Deoris were traditionally priests of the Sutia and Ahom kingdoms. The word Deori is derived from the Sanskrit word Devagrihik. So they are commonly referred to as the people who know Dev or deities. Deori means one who knows the proceedings of puja and performs sacrifice before the deities. The Deoris refer to themselves as Jimo Sayan, meaning children of sun in their native language. Deori language is a Sino-Tibetan language. They speak both Deori and Assamese language. Deoris are of three classes: Dibongias, Tengaponias, and Borgoyas. Among the three, only the Dibongias speak the Deori language, and the other two speak Assamese since they have forgotten their own mother tongue. Earlier there was one more class called Patorgoyas, but it does not exist now. The main occupation of the Deoris is agriculture. Their main agricultural crops are rice, wheat, mustard, maize, jute, sugarcane, etc. The Deori people traditionally live on sang ghors, that is steel house made of bamboos, cans, reed and wood. The pet animals like pigs and goats are kept in the lower part of the house. They like to live near riverine areas. The Deoris have their own indigenous faith. The Deoris mostly practice Hinduism. The Dibongias worship their deity Kundi Mama, Shiva Parvati, and the Tengaponias worship their deity Bolia Baba, Pisadema, and the Borgoyas worship their deity Tameswari, Ma Pisasi. The celebrations and customs of the three classes are almost same. They also worship several other Hindu deities. In any religious festival, the priests of Deori tribe plays a very crucial role. The priests are divided into four categories, namely Boderi, Hoderi, Borbhorali and Horubhorali. They celebrate two major festivals in a year. The first one is Bohag Bihu or Bohagyo Bisu. It is celebrated on the first Wednesday of the Bohag. The other is Magh Bihu or Maghyo Bisu. Devdhani dance and sacrifice of goat are integral part of their Bihu celebration. The Devdhani dance is performed by the Deuri women. Joydam festival is another major festival celebrated annually by the Deuris in the month of January. The main objective of this festival is to organize a cultural meet among all the four groups of Deuris. The Deuris have four types of marriage ceremonies: Borbia, Majubia, Sorubia or Bhokotrupia and Gandharvobia. The Deuri people observe strict rules of clan exogamy. No one is allowed to marry within the same clan. There is practice of accepting bride price among the Deuri tribe. The Deuri tribe has a very colorful traditional dress. Deuri women wear a skirt-like attire called Uzaduba Igun and a sheet called Jokasiba around the waist. They also occasionally wear a sari-like attire called Tegira. They use traditional gamusa called Gathiki to wrap around the upper body and to cover their head. Young unmarried girls usually wear mekhela, t-shirt and gamusa. During special occasions, young unmarried girls wear mekhela, blouse and gamusa. During Bihu, young unmarried girls wear mekhela, blouse, riha. Traditionally, jewelry is an integral part of their dressing up. The Deuri men generally wear ikhun along with a shirt or t-shirt. On the occasion of any traditional festivals, they use a necklace called kothamoni. Some of the ornaments of Deuri tribe are gema, a ring, usun bengal, igawa necklace, li, kotu, madoli, junbiri, dugdugi, etc. Instruments of Deuri tribe include durum, kokili, sengseng, tukari, lurung, bin, gogona, hutuli, toka, tal small cymbals, takabojiba, a kind of bamboo split instrument, Deuri pepa, a kind of big wind traditional instrument made of buffalo horn. Songs are known as Sajeva in Deuri language. The Bihu songs of the Deuris are divided into three types. They are descriptive songs, Aborbo Sajeba, Husori Sajeba, historical songs, Dusia Potia Sajeba, Lohoria Sajeba, and songs of joy, Hurai Ranguli or Dedura Sajeba, Singfai Begara Sajeba, Bisu Sajeba. Both cremation and burial are practiced by the Deuris. In case of natural death, the dead bodies are cremated. In case of unnatural death, the dead bodies are buried. A ceremony is held on the fourth day where selected village elders offer rice, beer, and chicken curry to the soul of the dead, thereby requesting him to give up all connection with the inmates of the dead. As per their affordability, the villagers can observe the final purificatory ceremony at any time of the year.